I got you.
All right, thank you.
By the way, y'all, I'm Muslim, so we always give back. By the way, so
Mm.
y'all need to do y'all good deeds too. Anyways, okay,
No
I'm
shade.
about to
I've
write you
been.
back.
All right. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
No, you shut the fuck up, bitch. I'm removing all y'all that got something to say about her.
The next station is Oakland City. La siguiente estación es Oakland City.
When you get there, go.
The phone and let her call her on the phone and she put the door down.
Requieren que el área prioritaria de asientos cerca de las puertas del tren estén a disposición de personas mayores de edad y personas con discapacidades. Por favor, this train is bound for Doraville Station.
It ain't what it is. Most black dollars. I know that. I know. Because they don't use the payment security. He didn't got no business. But we
I wouldn't dare go to Houston. They don't have enough assistance. I would go to New York before I go there. Fuck, is you crazy? Just because all the gays moving there don't mean that's right. Girl, please. Fuck out of here. I'm not going to no goddamn Houston. I done been to Houston and Dallas.
Yeah.